Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Motivation of Life. We hope you're all doing great and feeling inspired today. In this episode, we'll be discussing the latest updates on Canada immigration processing times as of August 2nd, 2023. So, if you're planning to immigrate to Canada, stay tuned till the end to get all the crucial information. Before we dive into the details, please do us a favor by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming episodes. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest updates on various topics, so your support means the world to us. Overview of IRCC processing times. Now, let's get straight into the latest official IRCC processing times as of August 2nd, 2023, and compare them to the previous week's processing times. These figures are essential to understand the processing timeframes effectively. We've diligently tracked these processing times for over a year and consistently updated them weekly to help you all stay informed. IRCC's improved processing tool. The IRCC upgraded its processing tool in early 2022 to provide more realistic and accurate information on normal processing durations, rather than just displaying service standards. Before that, they used to show IRCC service standards, which were merely the expedited application processing goals. The new updates now account for processing volumes and IRCC's capacity to handle applications, making the information more precise and reliable. Processing times for citizenship and permanent residency. For most citizenship and permanent residency services, the processing timelines now reflect 80% of applications, and they are updated weekly based on statistics from the past 6 months. This data gives potential immigrants and visa applicants in Canada a better idea of how long it may take to process their applications. However, please remember that your application's actual processing time might vary from the stated average, since it is based on the processing times of 80% of applicants. Processing timetables for temporary residence applications. Additionally, processing timeframes for temporary residence applications are also updated every week, using statistics from the previous 8 or 16 weeks. Factors affecting processing times. If you're looking for specific information related to VR cards, citizenship, family sponsorship, Canadian passport, permanent residency, economic class, and temporary resident visas, please refer to the corresponding sections in the video. We provide insights into recent updates and potential delays, so you can make informed decisions about your application process. AOR letters and family sponsorship. It's essential to stay updated on the latest processing times, especially if you've applied for citizenship between June 24, 2023. As the IRCC is currently sending out AOR letters or emails to applicants in that category. For family sponsorship applications, there are now separate processing times for Quebec and the rest of Canada. Make sure to check the specific details related to your region. Prioritization of work permit applications. And for those applying for a Canadian passport, permanent residency, economic class, or temporary resident visa, keep in mind that the IRCC is currently prioritizing work permit applications for priority occupations. If you're not in a critical profession, your processing time may be longer. Conclusion and call for engagement. We understand that waiting for your application to be processed can be challenging and sometimes stressful. However, staying informed about the latest processing times will help you plan your next steps accordingly. If you found this information useful, Please let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback and engagement are crucial to us, and we genuinely appreciate your support. Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope this information brings clarity and peace of mind to those in the immigration process. Stay motivated and positive throughout your journey. We'll be back soon with more updates and inspiring content. Till then, take care and keep striving for your dreams. See you in the next episode.